Synergis Cloud Link is an intelligent and PoE-enabled access control appliance developed by Genetec Incorporated. It supports a variety of third-party interface modules over IP and RS-485. Synergis Cloud Link seamlessly integrates with the Security Center and is capable of making access control decisions independently of the access manager. It can be housed inside an enclosure as part of a Synergis IP access control system. In this video, we will learn how to configure the IP address of the Synergis Cloud Link to add it to the Genetec Security Center server. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin, open any web browser. Internet Explorer is recommended, and enter the default IP address of the device, which is 172.16.20.11. Make sure to change your computer's IP address within the same range. However, if you're unable to connect to the Synergis Cloud Link appliance using its default IP address, don't worry. You can log in using the device hostname, which you'll find on the device itself. Simply enter the device hostname in the browser's search bar as https:// your device hostname, and press enter. Click on More Information, and then click on Proceed. The web interface for Synergis will appear. Log into the device using the default username as admin and the password as softwire. Once logged in, the dashboard will appear, offering multiple options. In this video, we will focus on changing the IP address. To do this, go to the Configuration section, then Network. Scroll down, and change the IP address for LAN port 1 and LAN port 2 by selecting Static IP mode. Once you've entered the new IP address, click Save to apply the changes. The device will restart to implement the new settings. And that's it for today's video on configuring the IP address of the Synergis Cloud Link for integration into the Genetec Security Center server. We've covered the step-by-step process, from accessing the device's web interface to changing the IP address. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you're interested in learning more about the Genetec Security Center software and its various functionalities, I highly recommend checking out our complete playlist. We've uploaded a series of videos that cover everything from the installation of the software to the testing of different devices. Each video provides a detailed, step-by-step guide, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of the process. To access the complete playlist, simply click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos and tutorials on Genetec Security Center and other related topics. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be glad to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.